gaano lang din kalaking bagay sa'yo 'to na natulungan mo talaga yung team na makuha yung win?
Masaya po. Yun lang. Masaya po kasi eto siguro yung game namin na 'to magiging boost namin for capital. Di pa naman po tapos eh. Meron pa kaming capital para po talaga makasali kami sa quarters. Yun lang.
Sure. And for Thea, 16 points and 4 blocks in this game. Yun nga, personally, what was your motivation heading into this match and eventually you guys got the victory?
Yung bawi talaga from last game and yung especially yung last game namin against Signal. So, lumaban nandun din yung motivation kasi yung mga kasama ko lumalaban pa rin. So, hanggat kaya, laban lang.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Chai, yun nga, syempre familiar ka din sa nakalaban. Kumbaga, paano mo lang ginamit yung familiarity mo para i-rally yung teammates mo nung after kayo kapusin nung fourth, para nung fifth makuha nyo na yung panalo?
Ginather lang po din kami ng mga coaches and ng mga ninang jobs para ito na yung pinaka-importante yung fifth set namin. So yun, siguro kaming mga players, ginawa talaga namin yung lahat para makuha yung fifth set. Yun. Naglaro lang kami as one.
Thea and Jeannie, paano nyo lang in-embrace yung opportunity? Syempre, nung qualifying round hindi nyo nakuha, pero ito may chance pa rin kayo ngayong play-in.
Mindset lang siguro namin bilog talaga yung bola. So, alam na din naman namin na kaya namin. So, isinapuso talaga namin yung bawat puntos na kaya namin, yun nga, mag-work as a team and maganda yung resulta. Same lang.
For Coach, a win against Capital One, regardless of how many sets within, you'll advance to the quarterfinals. So siguro po after yung season na to na nagsimula ng pataas, then nagkaroon ng mga shaky parts sa gitna, gano'n lang po kayo ka-proud to see Zeus Coffee, kumbaga no longer there at the bottom but already at the middle and contending na rin po to be one of the top teams talaga?
Very proud sa pinanggalingan. But then, yun na nga. We always strive, di ba? Further, work harder para talagang makapasok. Yung gusto natin, perennial contenders, di ba? Yung perennial qualifiers. Sa ngayon, hindi kami ganun. Malayo pa. So, maganda na may potential and then we will work on our game.
For Thea, siguro from when you joined Zeus earlier, being drafted first overall and now you're one win away from the quarterfinals. Siguro how far has the team grown lang din since you've joined and you personally din, parang kamusta yung learning curve and yung growth experience mo overall in your short time so far with Zeus Golf?
Well, syempre panibago talaga siya nung una. And happy ako kasi as that time goes by, unti-unti kaming nagiging solid as a team. And happy din ako na sa team ako na maganda yung relationship inside and outside the court napunta. Kasi matatranslate talaga yun sa laro.
Thea, carrying nga yung first overall pick na kumbaga yung burden or shoulder din na kumbaga of trying to help Zeus Coffee succeed. Siguro seeing na you're one win away from the quarterfinals, medyo nawawala na ba yung parang pressure na yun on your part being the star in this team then?
Well, honestly, hindi naman talaga kasi rookie pa rin ako kung tutusin. So, gusto ko ipakita ko ano yung kaya ko and at the same time, makakontribute talaga sa team kasi I know na this team has a very big potential and happy ako sa mga learning experiences na kuha namin sa conference.
Kay Coach po. Coach, may update na po ba kayo kay Julia kasi after nung incident?
Ano yun recurring previous injury. So, sorry, hindi ko alam yung term. Pero, yun yung nurse niyang injury yung game na wala siya. So, nag-usap sila ng medical team, kaya niya naman daw, but then yun na nga, na-aggravate probably within the game. So better ask them, di ko alam yung terms eh.
Siguro, Coach, another question po. Siguro, ano na lang yung magiging game changer nung Zeus when you meet Capital One po para pasok na sa...
Siyempre, mas ganado kami. Sayang naman, nagpakahirap kami sa signal and then, di ba? Mahirap din yun kasi pag nag-complacent ka, which siguro hindi pa naman, bata pa yung team, very hungry na makapanalo. Kahit saan kaming makakuha ng panalo. Gusto namin. So, Capital, sige, laro sana kami ng maayos and then hopefully makuha namin and then move on to the next rounds.
Coach, matagal na naglalaro si Chi sa team nyo and sa mga parang